Lately I've been feeling like we should just show it all. Been holding hands, do it all. Shed a couple tears, do it all. Never let them see you sweat. I know you like it when I kiss your neck.
Go.
On vacation.
Go, hun. What it be, what it do, what it don't. Another day in the life of Mama Taylor. Headed, guys, to go drop the Wraith off to get wrapped. And I'm going to get the first ride. And Daisha and Dream's new baby. So, I'll take y'all on a journey so I can. I'm not going to show y'all the outside. I just probably only get to video the inside. I'm going to let her save that. But anyway, I'll vlog. Me and Daisha and Dream going on probably a lunch date. She's going to pick me up. So, so hopefully she'll come on the new whip. Hopefully I'll get to ride in her new baby. I don't know which one she's going to come on, but if she come in the new baby, I'll just try to, vlog so y'all can see the little inside of her and Dream little new baby. Yes, I'm still rocking my natural, y'all. I'm doing the fro today. The fro, it's gotten bigger. I originally did the 2-strand twist, guys, and then I pulled it out, so it was looking different the other day. So the older it gets, the bigger it gets. Each day I just put my oil moisturizer on it and I pick it out. I get the little pick and pick it out, and it gets larger and larger by the day. But I can't lie, it ain't much I have to do. All I do is oil it, put that oil on there, slap my oil on it, and keep it moving. It's very easy to manage. So I may retwist it if I want my curls to be more defined. You just have to figure out what works for your hair. If I want my curls to be more defined, all I need to do is just retwist them. Sometimes I do the 3-strand twist, but originally I just did the 2-strand twist. I ain't did the 3-strand in a minute. I may re-wash it and flexi rod it. I haven't flexi rodded it in a minute, so actually I don't even have to re-wash it. Let me scratch that because it's been washed. I've already washed it. All I need to do is just kind of weight it down and then just start rodding it up. So I may put my flexi rods in there, because when I put that in there, my hair lasts for like 2 weeks, and then that'll give me some more curls. So I may rock this one more day. But if y'all look closely, this was the pattern originally when I first did it with the 2-strand twist. But it's out of that because it rained and the rain hit it, and all I've been doing just putting my satin bonnet on it, and I've been keeping it moving. So but I just want to do my little intro. Y'all don't know what I'm gonna do with myself, but I got a lot to do myself. So let me go drop the Wraith off, and then I'll get back with y'all after I do that. I hope y'all New Year is going great. I hope y'all haven't already broke your New Year's resolution. I'm guilty. I supposed to been working out every day, and I already missed 2 days, and but 4 days into the new year. I'm so angry at myself, but I'm gonna make up. So what I'm gonna have to do is double up, since I didn't work out. I think what I'm gonna have to do is, if I can't do it in the morning, I'm gonna have to do it in the evening. So like today, Well, I take it back. I only missed one day because I didn't work out at all yesterday. So today is not over. So what I'll do is make up this evening and I'll work out this evening. Okay, guys. Big D, big time. No, let me got up in the whip. Boy, I'm riding like the big dogs today. Look, y'all, panoramic roof. Woo! Peanut butter seat.
It's called cognac.
Well, let me get the correct terminology. Cognac. My son, they taking me to lunch today.
Riding cognac.
Look, yeah, right. Look, I said peanut butter seats, and she gonna correct me.
No,
Okay. They said the proper terminology is cognac. Oh, they corrected me big time. Big time. Oh, this is so nice. It's so nice. On the first one, I beat Papa Taylor riding in here. I'm riding in style with this presidential. I'm riding presidential.
How to get there?
Look, y'all, it highlights. Y'all probably can't see, but it highlights. It's lit up in here when you open up the door. You can see the BMW symbol on the ground.
So it do come on, babes. Come on at night.
That's what makes sense.
It's lit up.
No.
No. And so
We caught up. We caught a good deal.
I'm riding in Dream. I'm riding in Dream truck. I beat Dream riding in her truck.
No, she riding.
Oh, well, she riding now. Yeah, well, she riding with. I'm riding with Dream and her mama and her daddy and a little uncle back there.
That's real. That's
Oh, we going on a little joyride. Yeah, we going downtown. They taking us to eat right quick.
Yup.
Yeah, it feel good to ride driving Miss Daisy. They say I be exaggerating. I ain't exaggerating. I'm just riding in style, and I'm just saying I like it. And they said I do too much, but they can say they can say what they want to say. I'm just happy for them. Yeah. So I keep y'all posted. I ain't did no outside. I just did the inside. Cause she got to show me all the features. What you say? You got? I
can't do it while I drive.
Yeah, I can't wait to see when we get ready to park, y'all. She told me that her they said they got massage seat.
Yeah, massage while you ride. Keep the driver comfortable.
Keep straight.
Keep going straight. Yeah.
What? They got all that? Lord.
You can turn the massage on. Now just click that button over there.
Oh, right here. Yeah, okay, y'all. I'm about to massage myself. Let me see. Right here.
That big seat right here.
Okay.
Upper body, back.
Make a right at the light.
I gotta click it again.
Okay, y'all. Well, she's saying that and then she said it massaged the seat. I turned it on.
You gotta click which one you want though.
What? 1, 2? What you mean?
I don't know.
That's
the TV.
Oh, well, we still learning, y'all.
Still learning how to work this.
Yeah, the panel is huge.
I don't know how to work all that.
Huge.
No, it is a little TV.
I have to figure out how to work all that.
Oh, well, nice.
I got a tour thing on tomorrow.
Okay, well,
She's gonna show me how to work everything.
She's saying that you could just pull up and it'll park for you. It'll back up for you, all that.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, now that's big time now.
Oh yeah, it will park you for sure. Yeah, we did it a couple times.
So what you like most about it, Donna?
The park is
That's the main feature that you like the most on you?
No,
on your
it's
new truck?
fast. I like the sport.
Okay, what else you like?
And I like the massage.
Oh, okay.
And I like that I can operate it from my phone.
Oh, it connect to your phone. You do
Yeah.
everything. Oh, okay.
So if Quick take the car and he like, leaving, I can't find him, I can't get in contact, I just put the camera on the car and I just show me where he at.
Right here. Why you want a low jack on me?
So she got a tracker.
I ain't chrome. I come home. You ain't got no track on me.
She said she got the tracker on you. You can't go too far, Quick. There you go.
Can't go nowhere, Mom. How you say you did? I'm looking at you.
Lord have mercy.
Nice. I like that.
Right here, baby.
Right here?
Yeah.
Babe, why are you telling me late?
My fault. We're just gonna go down just to be loud.
Keep straight.
Yeah, go straight.
You say what else you like that?
No,
Here come the water, folks.
Don't give me no water. I'm
The
good.
water boys.
Keep going. But but yeah, I like that feature. It showed me like all my feet, with the car, gas on, everything on my phone. I ain't even gotta have it crunk up.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay. Yeah, that's a great feature.
Charge.
What you like about it, Quick?
I think I like the.
Oh, they
I like-
got TVs back here?
No, you got your own charger.
They got your own charger.
What?
You got his own chargers. You don't need it. I got a charger right here. I don't need that.
Nah, for real, 'cause that's what be happening. People everybody be needing a charger in the back or get in front.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we just need that.
So
But I think I
what
like
you
the
say,
color, I like
like-
the color of the seats. I like the sound system.
I ain't hear that yet.
The rims on the car is dope.
Yeah.
Okay.
The illuminated lights. I like the sunroof.
Daughter, this is a stop
And
sign. You
the
just went
fact
through.
that you
Which
make
way?
a right here, and the fact that you can crank the car up and look at everything from the app. That's pretty cool too.
Oh, okay.
But,
Yeah.
yeah, I like the look on it.
Okay.
And it's fast too.
Yeah. Well, maybe I get to whip it one day. Once they gonna break it in.
We're around the block just a little bit.
Yeah, I don't drove the Porsche. I drove the Wave.
About 3 or 4 over there. We gotta keep
Right.
riding.
You know what? I ain't never drove your other car, your Blue Letter. I
Oh,
don't
the
think I
Challenge?
ever drove Blue Letter.
Mm.
Lord have mercy. She'll probably let me drive it now quick because she got, what this car name?
I call it.
What this
We
car?
call her cognac.
It
Cognac?
ain't a her, it's a he.
He-
Make a right. It's a he. You
So
already got
y'all
blue letter.
fussing, y'all fussing about what it is. Is it a he or she?
It's Mr. X.
Mr. X. Now she said it when they ain't Cardiac. So which one is it now?
He wanted to be a boy,
It's
so
Mr.
bad.
X. Cognac is a. Let that be the color of the seat.
Alright. We ain't got a name yet. We gotta come to a common ground.
You see that though? You see how she
Okay.
switched? First she just saying, okay then. Okay. Now she want to switch it again and say, come on, we gotta talk about it now. So she want to put her, she should let you know I'm want to name it. That's all.
Well, her name could
She
be.
named the baby. Cause the name start with a D. That's why she never let off for gas on that one. I thought about it one day.
let
I
me
told
tell
Dougie that. I say, Dougie, she named that baby G because she wanted to be little G.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
You gotta look. I just had a whole lot of signs. Everything just kept saying dream this, dream. No, do not lie and say we was not having signs. They sit here and lie. We seen a truck pull up and it said dream on the truck. Then I was
that was
watching
your
a movie. Let me
confirmation?
tell you, I was watching a movie last night, and the drone came up in the sky, and on the ground it said dream.
What?
I can show him the movie. I can show you the episode.
You watched all the TV shows. They were bound to come up.
Ah!
I can see if you ain't never watched TV. And then all of a sudden, the first time watching TV, she watched more TV than I don't know what dream bound to come up.
She was looking for that name, wasn't it,
It was
Chris?
bound to come up somewhere. Yeah,
She was looking for it.
Hey, now, we know we got some signs. And he kept saying we not naming a dream because we ain't got no reason, no meaning. then the lady at the airport found the meaning of dream and ran all the way from where her little post was at, just to come on the plane and tell us it is a meaning to the name Dream and show him.
Oh, what's the meaning? Okay, what's the meaning, Quick? Who don't?
It stands for joyous music.
And we in the music industry, so that's what that's her name. That's meant to be her name.
Okay. So maybe she gonna like to dance all the time. You think she gonna love to dance?
No.
Well, she be around her auntie Trinity.
Yeah, she around it.
And then her dad. Yeah.
Like Whitney Houston will. Huh? Be the one like that.
Yeah, she might. Yeah, because her dad a producer.
He'll sing her too. He just don't want to sing.
Yeah. Her mama artist.
She sang too. She just don't want to sing.
I do want to sing, but I gotta get some lessons.
Her G-Paw artist, her two aunties are artists. Yeah, so everybody artists in the music. Her other little uncle artist.
Yeah.
Her Gigi artist. Hey!
We full around all the
What you gonna try to say? Ain't no artist? Now you see she try to discredit what I do. You had time so what? You heard it quick. Now she don't want to say I'm an artist.
I ain't say nothing.
See, Duggan, you ain't heard my music.
Hey, nah, put on that one. I do it for the family.
Yeah, I'm finna get out this so they can hear it, cause he quick said that he loved the music in here. So I'm finna let them bump one of my songs on here and we'll see how it really hit. Alright, I get back with y'all. We done made it, y'all. Is this the Beltline, daughter?
No.
Oh, it looks similar to the Beltline. We done made it.
just find this stuff.
We done made it, y'all. Our destination.
I know it's cold out there, ain't it? For real? Dang. Boy, it's kind of nippy out here. I forgot.
They done brought me to a new spot. What is that, Quick?
This over here about about Top Golf, called The Works. It's kind of got like an industrial. I'm the security. I'm armed guard for the day.
We on the west side.
You know what I'm saying? Make sure
we on the west side.
Wait, hold on. He talking.
We on the west side over here somewhere. They done made all this up.
You got Pinky with you?
Alright guys, we in here. We trying to see what we gonna eat, guys. They got all kind of stuff, Philly cheese steak. They have a sweet store here. They have fish. They just have a variety of food here at this location. Hibachi. Yeah, hibachi. So we just trying to see what we just trying to see what we're gonna eat right now.
Look how it look industrial, like they keep it.
Yeah. Bobos. Oh.
I'm talking about.
Oh man, never mind. Yeah, we sightseeing now.
You know what?
Just looking around.
Constant market.
Yeah.
Just like West
Yeah, they have a sitting area, guys. And we just left from the food area, and I'm gonna turn this way where you can just see the display. Look like they still renovating over here. We're just out here getting ideas, guys. We're seeing what we're gonna do with our additional space that we have, our facility space, because we have more adding on to do. Oh, they have a nail shop in there. Okay. They have a furniture store. Okay, guys, I'm gonna walk in here, see what they got. Wow. Right. You can do. Look at the wooden chairs.
Got all the equipment to do it.
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, that's nice, because that'd be something easy to make
We
too.
took the wood we be using for the floor to build a house. And they
Still sightseeing, guys.
Color and blow dry bar. Look at that. Blow bar.
Oh, yeah.
I've always wanted to do a blow art. One day.
My daughter do one. You can, you still can. Alright, guys. The food was so lovely. We're done. I'm back in my whip. The day has been an adventure. I actually had, it was the spot that we went to. It was a place that they offered all type of foods. They had soul food. They had sushi. They had a place that you can get, like hoagie sandwiches, Philly cheesesteaks. That's what I chose to eat because I didn't want anything heavy, especially after the holidays. We've ate, all of this, heavy food. I didn't want anything heavy. They had hibachi. They had, just about anything that you could want. They had vegan food. They had a lot of stuff for vegetarians if you just wanted to do salads. So it was just a place that you could, pick pretty much whatever you wanted. But the food was good. So everybody is back at their destination, back at home. So I just wanted to close out this video and thank y'all for going vlogging with me today. So I'm headed now. Gotta go pick Mike up from basketball practice. So this gonna pretty much conclude my video, and I still gotta do a video, y'all, of him playing basketball. He's finally back playing basketball, which is a plus for him. He's healed, but due to this COVID, which I get it, they're trying to be safe, because the children's and players' safety comes first. They've been having a lot of cases of COVID, a spike in COVID. So their season is going to be ending a little earlier. They had 10 more games left. Now they've turned it into 4 games. They're going to do a tournament against all of the middle schools, and just pretty much they're going to play like that. And then I think they scheduled like 4 days, and pretty much if you lose, you're out, and they just keep playing that way till they find out who the winner is. And the team that win the last game, that's pretty much who I think wins the finals or championship or something. So we'll see. But I love you guys. Be safe, and I am out.
Undeniable and real youthful, the brand of the new millennium.